How do you say wild?
Selvagem.
How do you say hanging?
Pendurado.
How do you say accent?
Sotaque.
How do you say beast?
Fera.
How do you say tomorrow?
Amanhã.
How do you say pants?
Calça.
How do you say grief?
Luto.
How do you say cry?
Chorar.
How do you say spearmint?
Hortelã.
How do you say beaver?
Castor.
How do you say spell?
Feitiço.
How do you say sunset?
Pôr do sol.
How do you say leather?
Couro.
How do you say eraser?
Borracha.
How do you say pocket?
Bolso.
How do you say 300?
Trezentos.
How do you say west?
Oeste.
How do you say both?
Ambos.
How do you say traffic jam?
Engarrafamento.
How do you say deaf?
Surdo.
How do you say daisy?
Margarida.
How do you say okra?
Quiabo.
How do you say can?
Lata.
How do you say wedding?
Casamento.
How do you say couch?
Sofá.
How do you say wolf?
Lobo.
How do you say cilantro?
Coentro.
How do you say some?
Alguns, algumas.
How do you say read?
Ler.
How do you say remember?
Lembrar.